Yes, we treadmill our dog, and yes, he loves it. He got on there himself and was ready for me to start the treadmill up. Riley. And Sam is jealous. He's waiting for his turn to go for a walk. Ready to go for a walk? What? Want to go for a walk? Okay. You're jealous, aren't you? You ready for your turn? You ready for your turn on the treadmill? Nope. Let's see if it's been 5 minutes yet. Oh, 6 minutes. Okay, time to stop. Was that fun, Riley? Was that fun? Was that fun? You ready to go for another walk? Riley, was that fun? Shh.